In this section, we will talk about the host network, how to connect your container with the host network and what are the errors we can see, because here it says you can't run multiple containers with the same port. It will conflict because it is the public network and it uses the host IP and the TCP port. Let's see what does this mean now. So docker run -itd name, I'm making C1 and the network. I told you, if you need to change the network, you need to define this flag. So host network and the image name nginx. But let me expose it to port also, right? So -p, I'm 8081 exposing to 81 and 80. Okay, warning. Publish port are discarded when using host network mode. Now see, docker container ls. So yes, my container is up and running, but see, port number is not signed here, right? You can't see that 0.0 and port that sign, redirection sign. So because see, it is mentioned here, it disables the network isolation between containers and docker hosts. So this is what that means. And if I'm going to run another container, see, I'm making it 8082, okay, and C2. So it will create the container, but it will exit. Now see, docker container ls, see, only C1 is there, the running one. If you need to see all the containers, do ls-a. Now see, exited 9 seconds ago, this C2. Why? Let's check the logs. Docker logs C2. See, 0.0.80 because address already in use. What I told you in this definition, it used the host IP address and the TCP port. So this IP address and this host port, like TCP port, this one 80 is already in use, right? To cross check, just run this command netset-tulnp. See, 80 is already in use. So you can't use when you are working with host network. Okay, that's why we always use that bridge network for the network isolation. So these are the errors you are going to face when you are working with host network. Now if you delete that container, this will get deleted also. See, docker, and see, I will also tell you one command. See, first docker container ls, we have this single container running, right? Okay, let me delete this container first, then I will show you something. Docker rm-f c1. Now if you run this command, see, now port number 80 is not in use, right? This is gone because I have deleted that container which is connected to the host network. So that's why we always use default network, that one, bridge one. Okay, now what if you have multiple containers running, right? So let me create multiple containers. Docker run -itd. I'm not mentioning the name or anything, and then nginx. I'm just showing you how to delete multiple containers. Okay, 5 containers there up and running. Docker container ls. See, these 5 containers are up and running, right? Now what if you need to delete all these containers? Either you need to go through one by one, right? Delete this, or mention these IDs with the docker rm-f and these container name or the container IDs. But there is another command, docker rm-f $ open close bracket docker container ls-a-q. Simple. Docker rm-f $ open close bracket docker container ls-a-q. It will delete all your containers. Simple. See, okay,
So this is the very simple command to delete all the containers, and this goes for the image as well. If you have multiple images, right now we have a single image, docker image ls, right? But to delete multiple images, the command will be same, not same actually, but the syntax will be same. Docker rm I and the dollar sign docker image ls hyphen a hyphen q. Okay, it will delete all the images. As for now we have a single, but if you have multiple, then it will delete everything, every image. Okay, so I hope this concept of host network is clear to you, and these commands to run, how to check these port number which are already in use, and how to delete multiple containers and multiple images. Now I will see you in the next session. Thank you.